And here she is. There's Anna, Charlie, and Isabella, lovely Isabella, with her eyes open. Oh, look at this, how pretty. Those big blue eyes.
Smile.
Yeah, she wasn't very interested in him last night, was she? No.
Lots of grizzles.
Had a bit of a temperature last night. And the feet are going.
Are you going to smile, Isabella? Are we going to smile?
Not so sure. I'll smile if I'm good and ready to. And that's that.
Maybe.
Maybe, perhaps. I must put it up onto YouTube so that Owen and Karen can see, and Charlotte.
Yes. Good idea.
There we are.
Better.
There we are.
Whack yourself in the face. Smiley, Isabella. Yes.
Anna. Let me get a battery.
Big yawn. Almost time for a sleep, isn't it?
Oh, there we are, tired.
Yes. Sleepy time. I don't like the old nappy change.
She doesn't clean on that.
Oh, she's going to hate you for that when she's older, Rob.
Yeah.
Happy 21st? Happy 21st?
As long as it's a down shot.
There. This will be screening at your 21st, Isabella. You'll thank me later on.
No, this is wrong.
This is going to be on YouTube.